Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a moving zoom pictures edit in CapCut. So first, just add your pictures to CapCut. Here, I'm only adding a picture, but you can always add more than one. Then after that, just click on the picture and zoom it in like this. You can zoom it as you like. And after that, just click on a photo again and add a keyframe to where you want the start moving. You want the picture to start moving, and then after that add another one in here. Just move it like this. You can move it up, down, or right or left, like this. Okay, so after that you are done, and here is the result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, click on the thanks button, and also comment. Bye bye.